Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to discuss how medicine work. In our previous lecture we are talking about a drug and a drug effect, and I discussed something about the disintegration of the drug. Now in this topic we are talking about medicine. But the first question is that in my last lecture I used the word drug, and now in this lecture I am discussing about a medicine. So, what is the difference between a drug and a medicine? You have to understand that the drug is actually known as the crude form of an active agent. And what is meant by crude form? It means the drug is actually an active molecule without any excipient. What is excipient? The main thing you have to understand, like if you take a look of this picture, and this is a drug, you can see this is a solid product. So this whole thing that you are looking at right now, this is not only a drug. It consists of active molecule plus it also contain inactive molecules. It means that the inactive substance is also known as excipient. So the active molecule is known as a drug. So a drug which is an active molecule along with inactive molecule which is excipient that make together to form a medicine. So that is very important. And what happened that the medicine when a person take it split up into small particles, and the process is known as disintegration. I used that word in my last lecture and now I'm going to elaborate further. So you see the powder like material, like here the powders, they are actually made together to form a medicine. And what happened, for example, if you take any medicine in the water, like a common example is aspirin, and I think many people have used aspirin in their life. So aspirin, when you put the aspirin inside a glass of water, what happen? The medicine will very quickly broken down or split up into particles, and you also see some bubbles here like you see in this glass. So what happened actually that the molecule when it go into the water and it disintegrate, and then the next stage will start, which is known as dissolution. And what is dissolution? Dissolution is a process where the solute molecule, what is solute? Solute mean the active molecule will be dissolved in the solvent, and after dissolution of the solute inside the solvent, the active molecule will be released. Same like they mentioned drug in solution, that when a drug enter into the water, it split up into fragments first, which is stage one. Then after fragmentation splitting, the solute molecule will be dissolved in water, which is known as dissolution. And after that process, the active molecule will be released, and that active molecule will go into your body with the help of blood, through blood as the medium that carry the active molecule to tissues. We will discuss in detail in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.